Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can check the new tips and the new Firefly updates on the Adobe Firefly. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do simply we need to go to the Adobe Firefly account and then we have to open our account. We have to log in. And after that, as you can see, has in this option the gift icon. So we have to click on this icon. And after clicking on this icon, as you can see, you'll be able to see that what's new. Firefly Image 3 model preview. So as you can see, Firefly 3 image preview available in the preview. You can read this carefully. As you can see now, these all options are provided here that how you can use them, what's their function. You can also taste this. So as you can see, and as you can see in the generative expand preview, you can go to the composition preference, you can go to the community gallery. So as you can see, these all options are provided here step by step, and the previews are also provided here. You can use them, you can change them. So in this way, you can track the tips and the new Firefly updates on this icon. I hope you guys understand this video that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.